Imagine waking up one morning and being told you have a chronic disease that didn't exist for you 24 hours ago. No new symptoms, no change in your body, just a change in a piece of paper. That's exactly what happened in 2017 to over 30 million Americans when the definition of normal blood pressure was officially rewritten. For decades, 140 over 90 was the magic line. If you were below it, you were normal. But then the American Heart Association and the American College of Cardiology dropped the threshold to 130 over 80. Overnight, the percentage of adults with hypertension jumped from 32% to 46%. Suddenly, nearly half the adult population was sick. While the goal was to catch cardiovascular risk earlier, it also created a massive new market for people now eligible for medication. So, who are these gatekeepers of health? They are committees of doctors and researchers who review major clinical trials. In this case, a study called SPRINT was the catalyst. It found that aggressively lowering BP to 120 reduced heart attacks and strokes. But critics were quick to point out a conflict of interest. Many of the experts writing these guidelines have financial ties to the very pharmaceutical companies that manufacture BP meds. It raises a sticky question. Is the goal better health, or is it disease mongering to drive prescriptions? While big pharma certainly benefits, blood pressure meds are a multi-billion-dollar industry. The guidelines do have a nuance. They recommend lifestyle changes first for most people in that new 130 over 80 range. The problem? In a 15-minute doctor's visit, it's a lot easier to write a script for a pill than it is to coach a patient through a total diet and exercise overhaul. The result? More pills, higher profits, and a world where normal is harder to achieve than ever. Is 130 over 80 the new safety net or just a new sales floor? Next time you're in the chair, remember, the numbers are a tool, but the context, your habits, your stress, and your history is the real story. Stay curious.